What non-negative linear models are supported/planned in Scikit-Learn? Scikit-Learn offers a large variety of useful linear models. However, I am working on a problem which is linear with non-negativity constraints, i.e. solution variables should be non-negative. I would like to use Scikit-Learn, but the only function I saw that can support currently non-negativity is lasso, via the positive equals true flag. lasso or lasso_path don't support non-negativity. Are there other non-negative linear models available in Scikit-Learn? Are there plans to include these in the near future?
The current stable version of Scikit-Learn supports the positive quark in lassos and lasso_path, though the latter isn't mentioned in the docstring, it seems. Example of non-negative lasso_path usage, this URL. The ElasticNet and associated CV versions also support a non-negative option.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.